We're just less than a month out now from that tax filing deadline of April 15th. I'm Taylor Toole, and in an effort to help save you money and time, we're getting answers, addressing a few common misconceptions that come around this time of year when it comes to filing your taxes. No matter which way you file, it's no secret tax season can be
hard, outrageous,
ridiculous.
Knowing this, we met with local CPA Jonathan Kim in Lafayette Parish to bust some commonly believed myths, starting with what you're responsible for. So a lot of people think when they're filing their taxes, if they make a mistake or do something wrong, the IRS will come fix it. How true is that?
That's not true at all. So the IRS's role in this is to review return, and they largely evaluate for irregularities. So they use that as a figure to determine whether or not something was misstated, whether in your favor or adversely, and which, if their findings, prove that it is the case, then they'll reach out to you via a written correspondence. They'll never actually call you. According to the IRS, this year, the average American is getting hundreds of dollars more back on their tax refund. The reason? A raise in the standard deduction and a widening of tax brackets to account for inflation, something experts believe at this rate will only continue in years to come. This amid fewer people filing earlier than usual when compared to last year. But are larger refunds really a good thing? You should never bank on getting a large refund. If you do and you receive one, that's a wonderful surprise. But the reality is a refund at the end of the year is an interest-free loan to the government. Never getting a refund or only a very small balance is the absolute position that you want to be in. And what if you use a preparer? Who is responsible then? I rely upon the information a client provides to me. If they misstate anything or misrepresent the facts and circumstances, that is their responsibility and liability and not mine. And while we're on the subject, there comes the question of what to do with your refund if you actually get one. Next week, we're going to be speaking with a local fiduciary to learn some ways to help make that check stretch just a little bit further. For now, for Acadiana's News Channel, I'm Taylor Toole.